we have these cars right here, these buttons that are going to make our slide, and that's it. Let's go here and start with the HTML. Well, this is gonna be easy because we simply have to reuse our section slide. This is the first time that we are reusing right here. And we can simply remove what? The sources right here. First one, we have the, I think is Huracan, so let's simply write here. This is gonna be the alternative task, so I'm gonna say Lamborghini Huracan and copy here, paste right here. This is gonna be home / racing nature Huracan. Okay, this is located in Lisbon 2023 and just sit for 2 people. How it's a beast, it goes from 0 to 9 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. Next one is also racing nature, but this time we have, it's an Aventador. So Aventador, here we're gonna have, this is Aventador LP 780-4 rules May. I'm gonna copy this, paste here in the description of it. It's located in New York. (2022), just it for 2 people, 2.8 seconds. Nice. The third one is gonna be the Lamborghini Euros, so let me put here Lamborghini Euros, copy, paste right here. Is racing nature selection 1. This is gonna be in 3. I think this is 3.3 seconds. I don't know, let me check if it's 3.3. Why is the Euros the third one? 3.6 seconds. Okay, 3.6. Sit for 5 people. 2023. It's located in Maputo. Last car is gonna be Evo Spider. I really like the sound of this car, so let me simply write here Lamborghini Huracan. Oh yes, Evo Spider. So I can copy from here, paste here, and here I'm gonna have Evo Spider. This one is located in London, 2024. Just sit for 2 people. Let me put here 2 and 3.3. Save. Okay, here the label is gonna be for a specific ID. This ID is the one that we have right there in the slide itself, so we have to change the labels here. So I'm gonna say racing nature 1. Here I'm gonna say 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4, and all of these gets out from here. This is 4 right here. Let me save, and I'm gonna have racing nature here 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 4. These 2 get out from here. Well, let's see how it looks like right now. Let's simply save, and go there to check in our original development page. Here we have, but this is not how it should be. Okay, and this is not working, and you can try to figure out why it's not working, but I already know. I'm gonna make sure that the width of this is the same of the row, so let me put row right here, class, and go down. Okay, now it's better. If you go to your to your slide component, let me open it on the right part. Where is my slide? Here I have, so let me put right there, Control B, and okay, you can see that when R1 is checked, R1 is referencing by the ID of radio 1, which was used for the slide only. We must make sure that we apply the same style for the racing nature 1 right now. So let's simply copy this and paste here. So now I'm gonna say racing nature 1. When it's checked, you're gonna do this. Here also, we're gonna make sure that this applies for this one, and here we have 2 for this one. Here we have 3, and we must create the last one, which is just for the racing nature 4, where we're gonna give a margin to the left of -60%. Saving, going to the home. Let's see how it's looking right now. Let's see if it's working. Okay, here we have it's working. If we click here, it's working. Here also, and yes, all is working how it should be. Well, the next part is to make sure that we are not using this section slide right here. Instead, this is not section slide, but is section racing nature, right? This is the name of the section. And if we save this, we must have a problem right here. And that's true. We have a problem. How can we fix this? Simply, we have to use some same styles that we use it for the section slide, like giving the width of 100%, don't let the things overflow, and so on. So this is the part where we have to edit. So let's put here, save it, and this must fix our problem right now. Okay, it fixed it. Now we have to talk about the position of these and the background. So small things. Well, this is gonna be simply related to this home page, because we already have the component and we simply want to modify a little bit the component in our home page. So let's go to our home and select our section, which is racing nature. So section racing nature, and we have to change the background of that parts. We're gonna get inside of our slide. Inside of the slides, we have the slide. Inside of the slide, we can simply have here our text, and it's gonna be paragraph inside of it. We're gonna use the add to color gradient, so we're gonna include, I'm actually gonna give you more space, to color gradient. Very good. This is gonna be pink, and the color is this one, F39F86, and the yellow one is F9D976. Okay, I'm actually gonna save this in a variable because we don't want to mess up with things right here using variables and other things. The same one is going to be applied for the span. The span is inside of our icons right here after our paragraph. So let's say icons, we have a span element which is gonna take this also. But I'm actually gonna simply say here the variable is gonna be color racing pink, and the next one is gonna be color racing yellow. I must take these two colors, so I'm gonna copy and go to the variables where we have the variables right here. Okay, I'm gonna put right here down and say color racing pink is gonna have a color right here, and the color racing yellow is gonna have the value. So let's simply copy this value, paste here, and copy this value, paste here. I'm actually gonna remove this line and use those variables right there. Okay, here we have the gradient is gonna be the same, so I'm gonna copy this line and paste right here. Let me save. I can reduce, come here and save right here also. Change detected. Okay, two color gradient, wrong argument or number of argument 3 for 2. I gave 3 arguments here. Let me see. Okay, yes, I gave 3 arguments while we must have only 2 arguments. Yes, it wrote. Let's check how it is right now. Very good. Okay, 80%. Let's save and see how it looks like right now. It didn't update, so let's reload. Very good, but actually they should be more down, so I'm gonna use my inspector right here. Click on this from top. Let me increase 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, much better right now. So let's use 85, save, and I can remove this. Good. We can give some padding right here in this section, like we have here. You can see this space right here on top and then on the bottom. So let's simply give padding to the top of some 4 pixels, 40 pixels, which is for RAM, 0, 6 RAM and 0. It's much better right now. We can't forget to insert this part right here, so I'm gonna copy, put right here. Okay, it said text center. Oh, but it didn't copy all, so I want all of this div, and I want to paste right here, heading secondary. There is racing by nature. Let me save and see right now. Very good. Racing by nature, racing by nature. Yes, we must have the background here, and I say Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider, while it should be simply Huracan Evo Spider. Here, let's remove. This is Huracan Evo Spider. It doesn't really need to be Lamborghini right there, and we have that background which is white. To do that, we can actually go to our slide and put it where we have our text right here. How the background is gonna be white, and here we also have white in this part. That's not gonna make much effect on this. It's gonna be making effect more on this because the background here is darker and it's possible to see the white. So the background color is gonna be color white. Saving it and seeing, here we have nice. Let's see what's actually checked at first right here. Oh, everything is checked. That's why every time we reload we see the Evo Spider as the first car, because the last checked one is the valid one. Let's save. Now we must see first the Huracan. Okay, here we have Lamborghini Huracan. Here also we have Lamborghini Huracan. Okay, we should put Huracan right here. The same. Next we have, okay, it froze, so let's wait. Now it's okay. Next we have Aventador P and so on. This is what we have. Also we have next the euros. Here also we have the euros. And we have this Huracan Evo Spider. Also we have Huracan Evo Spider. If you want to format this in order to be really easy to be found by the user when the background is lighter, you can easily do that. You can add some background to these colors that's gonna make them be more easy to find. So let's try to design together this part right here, but for me you could do by yourself because it's easy at this stage. So we have our bar with width, and here is where we can put some kind of background color and try to see, for example, aquamarine is cool or not. So now we can go to this part and we can still see what's there. And here also it changed it to aquamarine. So don't worry if you feel like this is better. We don't need to have 100% this page because we know how to get there. We just making our designs look much better if it's needed, and we can use our inspector right here to help us to design in the browser right now. Where is the inspecting? It's still opening, so let's wait. Okay, here we have, so let's select this element. The width is this one, so let's try to increase. Maybe it's gonna be much better. Some 25, and here also 25. Okay. No, it's so huge, so let's give some 15, and let's try a different color right here. Okay, this is for the border, and the background color of it can be like this one. Yeah, let's see if it doesn't make it feel like so strange. Yes, but actually I think it's okay. Yes, so let's close the inspector right here and see. If you want to have the styles, make sure that you save them on your source folder, otherwise you won't have them. But yes, they look amazing also. So save in your file, and let's move to the next.